Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Google Messages application. So I will walk you through how to use Google Messages application like a pro. Whether you're new to the application or looking to unlock its full potential, this guide has got you covered. So let's dive in. Step 1 is installing and setting up Google Messages. Simply open up Google Play Store, click on the search icon and search for Google Messages. Hit enter. So you'll have to basically install this application, that is Google Messages. After installing the application, launch the application by clicking on the open button. Now, you will see an interface that will look something like this. So after launching the app, set it as your default messaging app when prompted. This ensures all your SMS and MMS messages are routed through Google's Messages. Now, step 2 is understanding the interface. So this is the conversation screen. The home screen displays a list of all your recent conversations that you will have with the people you are in contact with. Also, the messages you will get from companies, OTPs and all the messages that you'll be receiving will be on this screen. This is the conversation screen. Now, this is the search bar. You can quickly find messages or contacts using keywords by clicking on the search icon and searching for the person you want to message. Now, click on their name and the conversation with that person will open up on your mobile phone. Now, when you open any conversation, you can see you have a three-dotted icon at the top right side of the conversation. Now you can click on your profile icon and you'll have the option to manage your Google account, to see the archived messages, to see the spam and blocked messages section, also to mark all the messages as read, then device pairing, your data in messages, and you also have the messages settings. When you click on messages settings, you can choose the theme, that is the system default theme, or whether you want it to be light or dark. Now you can go back. Now after coming back, I will show you how to start a new message. Simply click on this message icon, that is this icon at the bottom right corner. When you click on it, you will have the option to create a new conversation. In the to section, you'll have to basically type in the name of the person you are going to message. After you click on their name, you will see the conversation history with them. If you won't have any conversation, you won't see anything, just the message typing screen. So after choosing the person you want to send a message to, or if it's a new number, you can also type in the new number or simply select a contact from your address book. Now, you can simply type in the message that you want to send to this person and click on this small send icon, and when you click on this send icon, the message will be successfully sent to that person. Now you can also send emojis by clicking on the emoji icon, selecting any emoji and clicking on the send icon, and that emoji will be sent to that person. You can also click on this small voice recorder button. Now whatever I'll be saying will be recorded in this message. When I'll remove my finger from this message icon, it will send this message instantly. If I won't have to send this, I can slide to the left and that recording will be cancelled. So that is basically how messaging works here. Now in order to contact the person through voice call, you can click on this button. If you want to contact the person through video call, you can click on this button. You can also click on three-dotted icon at the top and click on details to see this person details. Now, I will show you how to customize chat backgrounds. Simply open any conversation, click on three-dotted icon at top, click on change colors and change any color that you want for that person, and your chat background will be successfully changed. You can also enable dark mode or light mode by clicking on profile icon, navigating to messages settings, scrolling down and click on choose theme, then select light. If you want it dark, you can click on choose theme and select dark or system default. So that's it for our guide on Google Messages. With its smart features and easy to use interface, staying connected has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.